सॉफ्ट होता है।
बर्रा चिकन, व्हाट इज बर्रा? Tangri kebab or non-veg platter. Chicken tikka. Hi everyone, here's a video for all you chicken lovers. With a wide variety of chicken dishes and other non-vegetarian options, this place has held its authenticity since many decades now. Yes, I'm talking about Rajinder ka Dhaba. I happened to go there with my friends and my sister and had a much needed chilled out time. Talking of the place, they have multiple windows to order from, but no seating is available, so you'd have to manage eating on your own outside. The place opens at 5 p.m. in the evening, which makes it easier to sit outside even when it is so hot in Delhi. The place offers all sorts of starters and main course dishes, but sadly I could not spot desserts in their menu. Here's a closer look of the menu. Along with their famous butter chicken, they have something for everyone like Chinese items, Lucknowi specials, tandoori items and what-not. To reach this place, you would have to look for Safdarjung Enclave Market. We went by car, but you can take a metro and deboard at AIM station. It is quite famous, so the local transport will take you from there. Our first order were some starters, that is chicken seekh kebab, which were for rupees 130 for 4 pieces, and chicken achari tikka, which were for 190 rupees. Now, as you can see, they do not give proper cutlery, so you'd have to eat in these paper plates kind of things. The service is pretty fast and you wouldn't have to complain about food preparation time. Talking of the chicken achari tikka, it was my most favorite dish for the day. It was properly cooked and let me tell you, it is heavenly for all the spice mouths like me. Both the dishes are served with some chutney and onions on the side, and they're nothing short of delicious picks. The chicken seekh kebabs on the other hand felt a little bit dry, but there was nothing as such to complain about. While having the starters, we had fun chill time while eating, talking and some very obvious lame jokes, along with our struggle on what to order next because there were quite a lot of options. While we were at it, I saw my very dear friend who was coming towards us to surprise me even when he was fasting, which was the cutest thing ever. And meanwhile, our main dish was ready, which was the ever so famous butter chicken, and trust me you guys, the dish speaks for itself. The buttery taste of the dish lingers in your mouth for a very long time and it is so yummy I can't even tell you. The gravy is completely and properly cooked along with the chicken pieces and it is an absolute delight to have this. Breads or the roti part, we ordered 2 naans and 2 rumali roti, and the naans felt a little bit too dry to be honest, but they were pretty cheap, so again nothing to complain about.
स्वाद है वो मेल्ट हो रहा है, जो स्पाइसेस है वो अच्छे से ब्लेंडेड है और बटर का टेस्ट लॉन्ग लास्टिंग है और जो रोटी है उसका टेक्सचर भी काफी पूरा टाइट है।
अच्छा,
करी इज गुड बट नान उतने अच्छे नहीं जले हुए। ओके,
अरे भैया हम दिखा रहा है, मैं बता रहा हूँ जिसने मैं आया हूँ ना रोजा वोजा रख के, मजा आ गया मेरे को और दिखा भाई।
Overall, the place is a must visit at least once, and I must add that it is not so expensive either. Food for the 4 of us costed around 1100 rupees, which comes down to 275 per head, and I wouldn't say that it's bad. That's it for today's video. Tell me in the comments below if you'd like me to do more such food reviews and I'd be happy to do that. Do subscribe to my channel and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye.